Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how you can use ChatGPT to create content for any business. So open up ChatGPT and type in, I'm going to ask you to write some copy for my business in a few minutes. This will include Instagram post, video scripts for reels and YouTube shorts, blog content and sales email. Before we begin, I want you to fully understand my business and customers. Then click on Shift Enter to go to the next line and then ask me at least 20 questions about my business, audience, customers, and anything else you need in order to complete the task to the best of your ability. Now, rather than writing some article based on one sentence prompt, ChatGPT is going to ask you a few questions in order to understand your business and provide you with the best possible content. Now we are going to go ahead and answer as many questions as we want to, and ChatGPT might even follow up with additional questions. Okay, so in this case, for example, you want to know more about ipsr Solutions Limited. Okay, that is a business that you want to create a social media post and content for. So how do you know more about the business? Just go to the website www.ipsr.org and go check the content under the tabs. Then you will know about IPSR, the courses that we provide, about our placement services, about our highlights like success stories, testimonials, awards and recognitions, the knowledge hub. Contact us. Just study all these things and answer the questions which ChatGPT have asked you. So here I'm answering all the possible questions by referring the website. Now, the fifth point is what are the unique selling points of your business? To check that, just go to the website and take any of the course page. For example, I'm taking RHC course, and then just scroll down towards the right bottom. You can see a portion called 7 reasons to join IPSR. So these are our unique selling points, industry oriented training led by corporate trainers and skilled professionals with real time experience. So I'm just copying and pasting all the unique selling points. I'm copying and pasting all the 7 unique selling points over here. The similar way, answer rest of the questions which you know by referring the website. Now, after answering the questions, click on enter, and then ChatGPT is understanding about our business. Now, now this is the time that we'll ask ChatGPT to create some content. So over here, I'm typing with the information you have. Help me come up with 5 ideas for Instagram post my audience might be interested in with some attention grabbing hook. I've added attention grabbing hook. That is some extra effect prompt which you can use to get some eye catching poster content for your social medias. And now we have got some awesome results from this chat GPT. You can use these poster ideas to create posters for your social media content. Now to write a blog, you can ask, can you give me 4 blog topic ideas? And it is giving me 4 blog topic ideas. Now say I liked the point number 1, the power of upskilling, how IT training courses can boost your career. So I'm writing, I like point number 1. So can we write a blog in 800 words? So it has given me a blog with 800 words. And now you can see that they have also given in detail how many words I have used in each paragraph. Now I want to create a YouTube video for my target audience. Can you give me 5 YouTube video topic ideas? So it is giving me 5 YouTube video topic ideas. Now if I want to create a script for this video, top 5 in-demand IT skills for career growth. So I'm asking create a video script with point 1 and include join IPSS Solutions Limited for upskilling as a call to action. Okay, so it has created a script for me in seconds, and then as I said, the call to action is also there. So this is how you can use the power of ChatGPT to create customized content for any business that you want.